Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new video. In this video I'll be teaching you guys exactly how to create your gig and set up search tags in order for your gigs to be ranked on the first page of Fiverr. Okay guys, because how can you get your gigs ranked if you don't set up search tags correctly? So before we begin with this video guys, please as usual subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Comment down below, like the video, and leave a comment guys, and share. So let's begin. Where I want to start now guys is creating your gig. So first of all, niche research is very important when it comes to the gig title. Okay guys, so when it comes to the gig title, you want to make sure that you have researched your niche and put the relevant keywords in the niche. So for this example, I'll be creating a whiteboard animation gig. So with whiteboard animation guys, what I want to do now is put something like, I will create a beautiful whiteboard animation for you. That is just perfect guys, and it's within the max limit, and once it's still in the green and it says just perfect, then you're good to go. Remember, I'm trying to rank for whiteboard animation or video. So if someone types whiteboard animation, it will come up. If someone types whiteboard animation video, it will also come up. Okay, those are keywords. So when it comes to category now guys, you need to choose the correct category, and Fiverr already basically does that for you. So down here it says video animation, whiteboard animation, and explainer videos. That's what I want to go on, so I'll click it now. And with the gig metadata guys, this is also very important. The gig metadata helps you to niche down to the exact thing that you're selling, which helps buyers find your gigs even faster guys. So what you want to do with the gig metadata is choose the animation type, and so animation type is whiteboard videos, not 2D, not kinetic, motion graphic, none of that. It's whiteboard videos. And you also want to choose the file format guys. I can deliver in all these file formats. The more file formats you can deliver in, the more orders you will get, because the more option people have of requesting from you. So after passing here guys, this is got to be one of the most important parts, the search tags. So the search tags guys is basically putting in other relevant search tags that you believe persons on Fiverr will search for. So if someone is going on Fiverr to search for whiteboard animation, what else may they put in to find your gig? Okay, and a simple way to do this guys, and to find out what relevant search tags to put there, you can open a new tab, right, like I did just now, and in the search section guys, what you want to do up here is type whiteboard animations. Okay guys, and once you type whiteboard animation, you will see all of the relevant searches come below here. Okay, so these are what persons on Fiverr are actually typing in. So as you see here, we have whiteboard animations, we have whiteboard animation video, we have whiteboard animation animated explainers. So all of these guys are search tags that you want to put in. And if you just put type whiteboard animation, you should see more come up. Hold on, my computer is moving a bit laggy guys. And if I search this now, you should see more come up. Okay, okay guys, so another way to find out more is the suggested. Once you type the key terms, the suggested. Okay, so everything down here you can place as your search tags. So this is whiteboard animation video. I'll just go ahead and add that to my search tags. Whiteboard animation. Whiteboard video. Explainer video. Animation video. And whiteboard explainer. Right guys, so some of them, the search tags can't be too long, so that's why you see me cut the whiteboard animation instead of adding the video to it as well. Okay, so all of these are relevant search tags guys. So if someone types whiteboard animation video, my gig is more likely to come up. If someone types whiteboard video, my gig is more likely to come up. You understand? So this is a very important step in creating your gigs and getting orders on Fiverr. So after filling out this guys, what you want to do now is click save and continue to move on to the next page. Alright guys, when you get to this page now, what this page does is set your gig prices. You always want to set a basic, standard, and premium package. Okay guys? You always want to set 3 different packages. So the basic package can be for $5, standard package can be for $15, premium package can be for $20. But to make this video shorter guys, I'm only going to make a basic package. Okay, so I'll put basic right here. I'll describe the gig that I'm selling. I'll create a great video for you. Great whiteboard video. The more key terms you can put all over the gig guys, the better it is for you. Okay, so as you can see, this is also a key term, whiteboard video, so that adds to my search tags as well. You want to set the delivery time, and if you can set, as a new seller guys, here's the secret: if you can set 1-day delivery, you will get even more orders, because people want their work to be done very fast, and majority of the long time Fiverr workers don't deliver in 1 day. So once you can get started on Fiverr and you can deliver in 1 day for like the first 3 to 4 days until you start getting more orders, it's better for you guys. Revisions, I'll just go and set revisions to unlimited. Voiceover recording, yes. Running time, seconds, I'll put this to 30-second video. Script writing, no. Storyboarding, background music, background imagery, words included, I'll put like 75 words, and the price would be $5. So guys, sorry for, if as starting out, what you want to do is sell your gigs the cheapest possible you can sell it for. $5 I would recommend, because it says that more persons will order from you because your gigs are so cheap. Okay guys, once you start getting a lot of orders, you can upgrade your price to like say $20 or more, or even Look at this, guys. Your price can go all the way up to $995. Okay, so the sky is the limit with Fiverr. All right, so what you want to do once you create the prices, you want to go and save and continue again. And guys, the description now. The description is one of the most important parts of creating your gigs and can sell or break your gigs. Okay, guys? First of all, you need to create a compelling description that once the buyers read it, they will automatically want to order your gig. Okay? So I've already pre-written a a description. So what I'll just do now is copy and paste it in here, and I'll go ahead and read it for you. It is recommended to contact through inbox first, then place order. Okay, because a lot of persons will order the gig without contacting you first, and you want them to contact you before they place an order so that you know if you can do it or not, or if it fits the requirement, or if you need to give them a custom order offer for a bigger more complex work. Communicate clearly and effectively with whiteboard animation videos. I've have I've had had over 6 years of experience creating professional whiteboard animations for my clients. What you will get: awesome whiteboard animation video, 180 HD video, royalty-free background music, 3-day delivery time. Revisions will take extra time. Brand coloring and custom drawings will cost extra than general package cost. And I want you guys to realize this. All these are search terms as well. Whiteboard animation video. You see how much time I put it in here? Whiteboard animation video. You want to have the search terms in your description as many times as possible, guys. It helps to rank your gig. Helps you to rank it so you can get on first page and get more orders. And as you can see, I have the pricing there again, and I have a please note. You guys can pause it and look through it. I won't do that right now. And what you can do after this now, guys, is press save and continue after you have written your gig description, and tell your buyer what you need to get started. This, guys, is what the buyers will see after placing their order. So what you can do is just write a thank you message thanking them for ordering a gig. You are awesome. I'll get started as soon as possible. And I want to add that and press save and continue. Simple as that, guys. So when you get to this page, guys, what you want to do now is upload a video for your gig. Videos help to boost your gig, guys. A 75 seconds video helps to boost your gig dramatically. Only having a picture on your gig can only go so far, but having a video on your gig, Fiverr recognizes that you have the video on your gig, and Fiverr will push your gig even more, showing your gig to more clients, more customers, bringing more money in your pocket, guys. And also add a gig photo and press save and continue. I don't have a picture or a video to add right now, so this is where I'll end the video, guys. I am not creating this gig officially. It was only a tutorial for you guys to know exactly how to set it up. So this is the last step, guys. So once you add your video and your picture, you just go ahead and click save and continue, and then you publish the gig after. Okay, guys, to show you that I know exactly what I'm talking about, guys, I'll go ahead and show you my earnings. This is a brand new Fiverr account. I have not had this account for 5 months as yet, guys. It is a very brand new account, and I've already made over 1,800 worth of orders on this gig, guys, and I have pending clearance $56, and I have $620 worth of work to do right now. So if this video helped you in any way, guys, if you want me to keep making videos like this, teaching you guys how to best apply skills in Fiverr, secrets and tips in Fiverr, subscribe to my channel, Like the video, comment and share, guys. I can't stress that enough. Comment and share the video, guys. Comment below what else you want me to make a video about, and I will get onto it for you guys. And I will also help you in whatever else you need. Just subscribe so you never miss a video, and click the bell notifications as well. Thank you. Bye.